Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create expenses in Zoho Books. So first log into your Zoho Books account books.zoho.com and you will be directed to your dashboard here and with your profile on top right. Now head over to the plus button here. On top bar, the blue button, click on plus, head over to purchases. Under purchases, just click on expenses. Now, here you will get to fill in the form of your expenses details. So the date of your expenses, the account, advertising account, the debt, etc., the amount, the tax, the vendor, the reference of the expense, some notes here, the customer name for your expenses to add, and you can only just add some files here, some images, videos, or etc., and fill in all your information of your expenses. And just when you're done, click on Save. So, take care for you here, be careful, and just fill in your information exactly. So for your expenses to be added successfully and safely in your Zoho Books. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment.